Happy Wednesday, Year 2, and welcome back to our third maths lesson on measure. And we're going to start off our maths lesson with a little bit of a recap on something that we did not last week, but the week before, which was shape. And these are 2D shapes. So I'm going to point to each one with my mouse and you're going to shout out the shape. Are you ready? Square, triangle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, another circle, well done. We've got triangle, another triangle on a different angle, but it doesn't matter. It's still that that threeness. We can see 3 vertices and 3 sides. We've got a square here and we've got the last one, rectangle. Excellent. Okay, well done. Good memories. We've all remembered that. And our number that we have been practicing is the number 9. Number 9, I nearly said it then for you guys. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way we make a 9. Let me do my one and you guys can join in at home. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way we make a line. A 9, not a line, a 9. Right, pause the video now and have a practice of this at home. Well done. Lots of 9s, lots of practice. Okay, so today we're going back to our language and comparing because it's going to get our brains warmed up for tomorrow's lesson, Thursday's lesson, on comparing measurements. So we're going to have a little bit of practice at measuring. You guys are going to do that independently at the lesson, and then we're going to think about comparing. If you can hear noise in the background, it's these guys that are at school coming back from their lunch play. Okay, so the is longer than the and we're talking about these and we're comparing them. So which is longer? The is shorter than the and we've got chocolate piece 1 and chocolate piece 2 here. So have a little look at that one. The is to the These ones look the same, don't they? They look relatively the same. So how would we describe that using our comparing language? So pause the video now and have these discussions and then come back to me when you're finished. Excellent, excellent. Okay, well done. Okay, so let's start with this one. So the is to the So they're both the same. The green tree is equal to, we could say, the other green tree, couldn't we? They're equal, they're the same, they're both exactly the same height and width. The blue pencil is longer than the red pencil. The red pencil is shorter and the blue pencil is longer. And we've got chocolate pieces down here. We could say the second piece of chocolate is shorter than the first piece of chocolate. Okay, so this one is shorter than this one. Excellent. Now we're going to move on to a bit of a problem solving activity. You guys are going to go off and investigate this one. And it may be easier if grown-ups can do this. I can put this on the timetable for you guys at home. That you cut this top section, this bit out and print it off numerous times so that children can place this across the carpet or the table, wherever you're working. It'll be easier for you guys to visualize. So I'm going to read it out to you. A green pencil is twice as long as a blue pencil. So there's 2 blue pencils for every green pencil. 2 of these ones go along this side, this one. Using this, complete the statements using longer than, shorter than, or equal to. So our language, like we were comparing on the previous slide. So you've got to fill in the gaps. So 3 green pencils are 2 blue pencils. So are they longer than, shorter than, or equal to? 2 green pencils are 5 blue pencils. 4 green pencils are 8 blue pencils. So you guys have got to fill in these blanks and have a little explore with this. So if you're in the classroom, cutting these out and laying them across your tables, or if you're at home doing exactly the same thing, and come back to me when you've had a good go. Brilliant. So the first one, 3 green pencils. If I had 3 green pencils, okay, are longer than 2 blue pencils. So they're longer than 2 blue pencils. 2 green pencils are shorter than 5 blue pencils. If I had 5 of these, they would be much longer than 2 green pencils because it's 2 blue for every green. The last one, 4 green pencils are equal to, and we know this from our multiples because there are 2 of these for every one of those. So if I have 4 green pencils, I'm going to hold them up for my hands and I count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, it's equal to. Now I'm going through this really, really quickly because I'm explaining and recapping the answers, but hopefully you guys, without showing you this in person, but actually hopefully you've all been away and explored this, moving the pictures around, because it would be much easier for you to unpick and explore using the pictures, having them there to look at rather than me talking you through it. Okay, so your task after this is to go away and you have got this sheet complete. And some of you may have this actually already in your home learning packs. I think I put this one in there. So measure each pencil with a ruler and record. So you've got the boxes here to record. So you've got to measure in centimeters, and that's centipart, meaning 100. Okay, there are how many centimeters in a meter? Just gave you a clue. It's 100. There are 100 centimeters for every meter. So measure each pencil with a ruler and record. And then it says, then using our maths language, so shorter than, equal to, longer than, compare the pencils. So the yellow pencil is longer than this orange pencil at the top. The orange pencil is shorter than the yellow pencil. So measuring and recording and then using that key language to compare the pencils. Have lots of fun, and I will see you tomorrow for Thursday's lesson. I'm going to say goodbye. Bye.